everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me Sangeeta. Today we are going to make wheat ladoo. So let's cook now. Let's have a look what are the ingredients we need for wheat flour ladoo. 2 cup wheat flour, 1 cup ghee, 1 cup sugar, some chopped cashew and badam. Once pan is hot, add the ghee. Once ghee is melting, we can add the wheat flour. We can add some more wheat flour. I'm going to add half cup more because the ghee is too much already, so I'm going to add half cup more wheat flour. The ghee quantity, if you have 2 cups of wheat flour, you can add half cup only is enough. I add 1 cup, so I add again some more wheat flour just to fry them until the raw smell gone. Keep your fire low to medium. Just fry them until you are getting brown color and the raw smell gone. Now our wheat flour already fried, so I'm going to add the mixed nuts. Now I'm going to turn up the fire. After that I'm going to add the sugar. Let this mixture, leave it for just 5 to 7 minutes to let it cool. And after that we are going to make ladoo, but no need to completely cold because when we are going to make the ladoo we need little bit warm. Now it's little bit warm, so I make it ladoo. When you make the ladoo, this wheat mixture should be warm. Don't let it cool completely. We need warm. Otherwise, you cannot make the ladoo. Our wheat ladoo is ready. It's really nice taste and easy and simple to make. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.